Let's explore how we can use the perimeters of regular polygons inscribed in a circle to approximate the circumference of the circle. Now, each of these circles has a diameter of 1 unit. Each one has a regular polygon inscribed inside. Notice that as we increase the number of sides of the polygon, the shape gets closer and closer to the circumference of the circle. Now let's measure the perimeter of each polygon using our scale and see what happens. I'm going to mark a dot for each perimeter. Now, this is not perfect. I'm doing this by hand and I probably didn't cut these perfectly, but I do notice a pattern happening. Mathematically, we could find the exact lengths of each of these perimeters. Now, if we use geometry software, we can quickly and accurately calculate perimeters of each of these polygons and polygons with more sides. Notice the perimeter measurement here as we increase the number of sides. As the number of sides goes to infinity, the perimeter of the polygon will become indistinguishable from the circumference. This is where the magic of limits comes in. This method of approximating the circumference of a circle using polygons was famously used by ancient Greek mathematician Archimedes. By taking the limit as the number of sides of the polygon approaches infinity, we can calculate pi more and more accurately. And as you can see here, this number is approaching pi. This idea of using limits is a key concept in calculus. It allows us to make calculations that are far more precise than just measuring.